The multi-tool is a highly engineered and versatile precision cutting and perforating accessory for folding and creasing machines. The male blade holder houses the different types of cutting and micro-perforating blades, as well as the spacer rings and floating blade holder. Many well-designed features underline its ability to produce a multiple choice of applications quickly and efficiently. Single perforating, double perforating, kiss cutting, single slitting, double cutting, edge trimming,